In frame. Don't touch anything. Record anything that goes right or wrong.
Why are we docking here?
Dude, because I want to eat here. Dude, don't get in the way, man.
Bob! We're eating here!
Don't do that, man.
Why can't I do it, man?
Jimmy, you're stepping off, right?
I'm stepping off.
Just got dangerous. Real dangerous now.
Dad, don't. Let me go put this back in my room.
Dude, how about behind me? Does that all look good? No, everything good, right?
How do you feel about doing this?
Oh, I feel awesome. We're going to do this 100% right. You see that cake there? I
Tuna.
want you to step off.
I'm
Dude,
also gonna step
you're
off.
not distracted.
That's just. Johnny, you know we don't have extra water, right?
You're not distracted.
That's wasting our water. That's the only fresh water we have. The water bottles.
I'd like for you to step off and take your time. Don't get between the boat and you. I think the boat's too heavy. Go. Dude, watch out. Jonah, watch out.
I'm also going.
Keep the phone in the boat.
Alright.
All right, good. All right, stay there.
Where are we about to turn them up?
Don't touch.
Stop.
Why can't I get off?
Trying to do something. Now you just put it.
Let's go get our sandwich and get out of here. There you go, you know how to do it. He never seen a boat in this lift before in his life. What you gonna do?
Dad, sing with us, sing for the now.
Good?
Do you want me inside the back?
Was he right? See us next to Mama.
Yo, go ahead, video him say that. How long you been working here for? Whatever. In the last year, how many houseboats like this size ever pulled up to the restaurant?
At least 7, 8.
Okay, cool, man. So in 1 year, 7 or 8 did this size, 45 foot?
My dad parked the 80-foot houseboat.
Dude, y'all have an 80-footer you park here?
He lives in the Glen.
Dude, he's experienced. This guy knows what he's talking about. Is the food here good?
Yeah, I'm cooking it.
Do the cook? Good. Say what I have to eat here. What do I have to eat?
I'll try the Cuban and the burgers.
Yeah, you hear that? That's what you all gonna get.
What?
Cuban and the burgers. He's a chef.
What's a
They
Cuban?
make better
I'm
than
stealing
anything
the
else.
boat. I'm stealing
Wait,
the boat.
Dad, what number are we at?
Crab legs are good, and our Cuban are good. I don't quite like the Reuben because I don't like the...
We're gonna get what you said to get. How are you doing with your fish?